That shit Pandora or what? Damn. Shit's throwing you some fucking good welding shit, where?
Hell yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. Another fucking video of shaving the bay. We're finally gonna put a little bit of work. Here we got my brother Flaco 519 with the bag of the srt4. Make sure to follow this fool.
Instagram Flaco 519.
He's gonna prove his skills right here, and hopefully everything turns out good.
You gotta show him the welder.
Check this piece out. Just got this bitch. Man, I'll do a little cinematic on you guys. A little Sentry welder right here.
The 120 volt.
Explain to him right here.
Wire feed welder.
Yeah.
That's your adjustable heat, adjustable wire speed. You can see right here it has little dials, which is nice. You can buy this at Home Depot.
Home Depot.
For $160 something.
Yeah, I got it for like 180.
180. We'll
Taxes
put the link
and
down in the description. You guys can pick it up.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap welder, and it's fucking light as hell too.
It comes with the strap, but it's not on it.
Yeah. Now we're finally, this is what we got here. We changed the setup. We're not going with the plates, just because of just moisture trap. Thanks to the homies that told me about that before I fucking welded that shit. And yeah, right here it is. We're gonna start this bitch. Finally gonna start this bitch. It's about time. We got a 2-week delay because I had to save up to buy this fucking welder. And hopefully we get this shit fucking done today. At least the major parts, just the big holes we gotta cover. Over there. Also, I want to give a big shout out to both Ryans, and Jeff, who have helped me through this process, you know what I'm saying? Gave me some good tips and advice, and yeah, encouraged me to do this shit. And hopefully it turns out like their shit. And I'm gonna put the description down below to make sure go check out their fucking srt4s. Clean as fuck engine bays, shaved, tugged, and everything. Thanks, guys. What we want to do here, guys, just want to tack weld it. Give it little tacks all around the area. You don't want to go too crazy because you will melt through this fucking sheet metal.
Already trying to.
And you can see right here, it's fucking trying to melt just because there's not enough to grip, huh?
It's because look, I have a little gap.
Yeah.
Inside your motherfucking mind, you got that X, watch him lift it up and just swing it from behind.
Who is he? That fucker a beast. Came with the fleet, knock you out your fleece. Cold summers, long winters if need be. Fuck the world with y'all balls deep.
Demons around me, I'm drowning, I'm bleeding. Barobi is giving, I hope it gets go to the season. They dread, but we all end up hitting the opposition, opposite of the
We start a fucking riot, don't try me, I strike like lightning. Tyson, drive-bys riding the bikes, man, I'm sweating, murder, exciting. I'm expediting your life, and we multiplying alliance. You biting, but I'm delighted. Welcome to hell, I'm your guidance.
Hold on, call on me. Diamond dancing, homie, running for office.
So what we're doing here, we're going back and forth to here, then to that one, and then to that one, because the plates just get way too fucking hot. Make sure you take your time, because you will burn through your fucking sheet metal. So, do this on your own risk. Remember, guys, you guys could do this anytime, bro. You don't need nobody. Just buy yourself a welder. Just know your basic shit. Don't let any motherfucker put you down. Shit can happen. That shit Pandora or what? Damn. Just throwing you some fucking good welding shit, where?
Hell yeah. That's Suicide Boys radio. I'm serious.
Oh yeah, it is. What the fuck? This shit fucking knows the vibe, way.
Fucking fire.
I don't even need a song to edit this fucking video no more. I see progress here. Right in the end, we're just gonna grind that bitch down. And then fucking smooth it out. It's looking good, what? I'm actually impressed. You weren't lying about your skills, what? This fool wasn't lying about his skills.
This is nothing.
You know what I'm saying? If you guys need any work done, any manufacturing, get this fool a fucking call. I'll put his number down below. This contractor from Mexico, way. Un contratado right here, way.
Starting to weld on the heavier metal and then going up to the thinner metal. But the metal, when I was doing that, it was getting too hot by the time I went to it, so it started melting.
Wow, that shit makes fucking sense now.
So
that shit looks pretty fucking damn good.
So now what I'm doing is starting it right in the center of between the thicker metal and the thinner metal. So now it's just bonding, bro. Like we're gonna see some good welds though.
Damn. Let's hit that shit, way. Get that shit. There you go, guys. You just gotta find your way. And everything's possible. You could do this shit. You guys could do this fucking shit, man. Just don't be scared. I'm still scared, but just don't be scared. That's my boy. Front. This is fucking trailer park built. Motherfuckers trailer park built. You don't need no fancy shops. Look, I mean, it'd be nice to have a fancy shop, but we're right under a fucking tree. This tree looks like the fucking tree from Lion King, right? This is the biggest tree in this fucking. Look at this shit. Look at this right here, right? You guys need any parts? Make sure to hit me up. It's an Accord 2008, I think.
Ain't nothing fancy, but we still got bags.
Here you. But this shit's looking damn good. Damn, that shit's moisty, eh?
It's gonna look shitty, but.
Yeah, but I mean, dude, that shit's fucking
It's gonna be
thin,
grinded. I know, it's just hard.
I mean, everything's gonna be grinded down. It's gonna put, not bonded, we have some Marglass recommended from my two homies, both named Ryans. Those fools are fucking cool, man. So make sure to check out their fucking whips, bro. They're fucking clean. Bae, all fucking dirty. She dirty, man. Look at shitting on and shit. Wheel's still looking clean though. She's fucking front face gutted. Everything's off. This is actually a good fucking investment here. If you guys are broke, this is a good fucking welder. Just take your time on it. Don't rush your work. It's a good starter welder. Century welder. Dude, this music, way was good. Look at this music. Hear this music right there. This music is fire, way. Give me the radio station on this bitch. Is that Suicide? The fuck? They do this music? Man, music is fucking fire. Shit's lit. I could be dancing here. If you guys haven't checked out our other videos, we got more videos on our YouTube channel. Make sure to scroll down below. We got the airbag installment videos, from installing coil setup, bags, running the lines, tubing, all that, installing the 3P airlift system, and then to the final airlift, the first air up. It's all on there, man. Make sure to check it out. What's going on here, Flaco?
What's going on here is kind of welded it.
Boom.
Not the best weld.
This is the best weld you can get on this motherfucker with this thing. Pretty impressed. This one's already been grinded down. Gonna go at it again.
Don't add filler, so it's not gonna look that ugly.
Yeah. I got some Marglass filler. Gonna get laid out right there and over there. So hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty sure, I doubt it's gonna look bad. It's gonna look pretty clean. This looks pretty damn good, boy. Better than I expected, actually. I expected to be a lot of holes.
That's it.
I'm still traumatized with my Lincoln, remember?
Yeah.
There was this one time, if you guys don't know, we were in the lowriding game, you know, we're in the lowriding scene. And we were doing like a bunch of shit to our cars. One time we put a sliding rack top on my Lincoln Town Car. And we were welding this frame, reinforcement frame under my roof. And every time we'll start welding, because I was inside the car holding the frame up. And I could just see it making holes and melting it down. Like, it was just melting straight into my interior. And I was like, damn. But yeah, again, back in the day, we didn't know how to fucking weld that good. And we had a shitty welder. But now, this guy's graduated, got his own business cards and everything. Look at this right here.
I'm embarrassed to show him.
That's a year experience right here. I mean, not year experience. This is years of experience already.
You gotta understand, this is a thin ass metal.
Yeah, this is very thin. I'm pretty sure the guys that done this, they know what we're talking about. You guys will know what we're talking about once if you guys actually get into this right here. And we still got a few bolts. I mean, a few little holes we gotta take off, like boom, these little holes, you know.
Let me get it.
Huh? Yeah, should be fucking golden. We're about fucking done with these panels here. We just gotta grind the last hole right there. But so far it's looking fucking good. It's being the last fucking bolt, the last hole on that panel. Got the final piece ready. Final piece is done. We're gonna come back another day to do the other extra little holes and shit. But so far it's looking so good. Hell yeah.